You just not making it back?
You know I had to go to the store, right? So we got another haul. That means we got another bag. Let's see what we have. What's in the bag? What do we have here? So the contents. What do we have here? Bugner LED gaming monitor riser. Looks like it has two USB-Cs, two USB-As, a stand for anything other than the monitor. So you can use that for laptops, iPads, anything that you want to connect. On the back, it has a LED light over the front, which is nice. It also is color changing. And if you want to know the price, I actually picked this up at Five Below. Again, it's actually on sale right now for $2.50. I said that right, $2.50. I'm actually, if this one's pretty good, I'm thinking about going back and buying another one while they're on sale. The regular $7. So let's get into this bad boy. Let me get my trusty boy, old Bluey.
Now we got more tape on the front. All right, here we go. Open these tabs. All right, here we go.
Let's have a nice unboxing.
So we got some directions. Exclusive monitor riser. Click, click. Okay.
Let's take everything out the box.
So let's get everything out the box. Get rid of this box.
Get rid of this paper.
All right, so this is one stand, two stands. All right, let's flip over. And on the back side, so it's got 5 volts and output is 5 volts at 500 milliamps at the max. So we're gonna put in this stand. Okay, so they go on the sides right here. All right, that's one side. And here's the second side. There we go. All right. So let's find out a way to plug this in.
Technical difficulties.
Okay, here we go. So this is the light, the LED lights we have. Once you plug it in, so they change colors automatically. So they don't seem to have any kind of switches on the sides. So the LEDs, they change colors simultaneously as they want. So that's cool. And like I said, we got 2 USB-Cs and 2 USB-As and the LED strip that's built in. So it doesn't look like you could turn off the LEDs unless you unplug it. All right, so I'm gonna put my laptop up here. It's pretty cool for a laptop stand. Okay, that was number 1. Let's get on to number 2. Okay, what's in the second bag? So in the second bag, I found some stick-on cable dots to put on side of my table when I'm sitting on the couch, because my wires keep falling down on the side of the couch. So I got these for $3 at Five Below also. So this is what it looks like.
On to the next one.
we have an adjustable, foldable laptop stand. The first one I showed you, I'm actually going to use that one for my iPad and any other things that I'm plugging in. So it says, works with all laptop types. This can improve your posture, so you don't necessarily have to bend over the table with the picture they're showing right here. So it has 6 different ways to adjust the stand. So this is how it looks from the back. Let's see what this is all about. Let's get old Bluey.
Come on, man. They ready to see what's in the box? Let's go. Come on, man. Get rid of that.
All right, so it's made of plastic and these things are rubber. So it opens like this. And like I said, it has different levels. Everything is plastic. This right here is metal. All of this is plastic. And this is what it looks like from the other side. So these are your different spots. I'm actually going to use this also for my laptop at different times if I'm not using the first stand. So we're going to try it with this one. Oh, it's pretty nice. All right, we're going to close this up. Close the laptop. Let's try it with the iPad now. So you see it with the iPad. I don't think I would use this with the iPad. It should have had at least one more spot to come up. Maybe I can put something under there like this and raise it up. But I use a different stand for my iPad anyway, so it's perfect for a laptop, but not perfect for an iPad. I mean, you could still use it for an iPad if you're just sitting down looking at it and doing notes and stuff like that. But I'm not going to use it for an iPad. So thanks guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next unboxing. Peace.